Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jai Education. Now we are going to learn and write essay on my pet dog. Let's start. First line, I have a pet dog. Second line, its name is Seru. Third line, it is white in color. Fourth line, it is 3 years old. Fifth line, he eats meat, fish, bread and rice. Sixth line, it guards our house. Seventh line, he runs very fast. Eighth line, it is very faithful animal. Ninth line, he is very active all the time. Tenth line, I love my dog very much. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.